The Stitch Fix boxes just keep on coming. So let's find out what's in this one. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name's Andrea and I love to do clothing unboxings and shopping hauls and try it all on for you and share it with you. If you like that kind of content, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, hang out with me for the long haul, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos. And yeah, if you like this video, please give me the like, leave me a comment, all the things that make YouTube happy with me. So Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service where you have a dedicated stylist. My stylist name is Marsha. She's awesome. She's one of my viewers also. And they send you 5 items for a styling fee of $20 unless they have invited you to join the Style Pass, which is a year of styling for $49 for the whole year. You can get as many as you want. You have 3 days to try them on, and you can extend that. If you buy all 5 things, you get a 25% discount. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, I will leave my link below. That'll give you $25 off. All right, now you do get a preview of 10 items, and you can choose up to the 5. If you don't choose 5, they will add things to make it 5. And I honestly cannot remember. I think I chose some things from my preview. Can't remember anything about it. Hold on, dog wants in. If it's not Sophie the dog, it's Lucy the cat that wants to come in when I'm filming. Yeah, I can't remember the preview. I actually didn't expect this today. I'm sure they sent me an email that said that it was coming, but I forgot. So when I saw it out on my porch, I was like, oh, I didn't know that was going to arrive already. My daughter got one last week, and when it arrived, I was like, did I get a Stitch Fix already? And then it was hers. Yeah, so it looks like things are falling out of my bundle. It is not a neat bundle at all. Okay, well, I will show you. All right, we've got something in a color that I am not a huge fan of. And then there were 2 more items. There is the mailer. Shipping is included both ways, so you can send back what you don't love. There is a pricing sheet, which I wait until I try everything on before I look at the clothes. And there is what we call the Oh Hello card that shows you how you can style your items, and also has a note from your stylist, and I always check to make sure that it's still Marsha. All right, let me take the paper off. I am remembering one item that I chose from the preview, I think. Sometimes I see stuff and I think, oh, I chose that, and then I read my note and I actually didn't. Okay, so first up we have this pretty pink, no, not pink, purple. I know my colors. T-shirt, and this is by Threads for Thought, and it is the Hillari Keyhole Crossback tee in light purple, and it does have this, I'm trying to get the tags out of the way so you'll be able to see it. In the back, it has this very cute detail. And just, it's moderately soft, not super soft like sometimes their things are. Let's see. It is 60% organic cotton and 40% lensing modal. I would think it would be softer, but it's a pretty color. My daughter might like that. She really likes that color. All right, and then next up we have something by 41 Hawthorn. The Gilmora short sleeve. It's kind of some kind of cutout knit top. It's not real clear. The printing like got messed up. All right. So it is a cool day here in Colorado. It's only in the 70s. So it's this rust color, and then it's got like a twist at the neck and longer sleeves, and then that cutout. So that could be really cute. I'm trying to decide what I think about the color. All right, now this is something I'm pretty sure that I requested. It is a pink jacket from Market and Spruce. The Regan rain jacket in pink. Very pretty pink. This would have been good in my last pink box, my Barbie themed box. It's got some weight to it. It's got a hood, and it's got that pretty pink kind of gingham inside the lining. Got snaps, a zipper. Let's see, do we have pockets? We have pockets in the front. So that's really a pretty color. I like that. Can you see I'm resisting fall? All right, now these. Okay, so I'm certain these are going to be a no. They're NYDJ, which do not look good on me, and I do not like this color. It is, they're calling it terracotta. I think of it as orange. It is the Chloe side slit capri jean. So there is a slit there, and if they're not petite, I'm not sure that, no, they're not, they're size 2, but I don't know that they would be capri on me. Yeah, I've tried on so many pair of NYDJ, and they just have never looked good on me. With the exception of not jeans that they had that they were like black, almost like they looked like riding pants, and those were awesome. And then we have the Cosmic Blue Love Addica Slim Straight Pant in purple, and it has this pork chop pocket. Those are very big this year, and it looks like a straight leg. So that, I think, will go really well with this. So we'll try those two on together. All right, I will show you my outfit of the day. First, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I do appreciate the time that you spend watching my videos and when you make comments and all that type of stuff. So thank you for that. And let's try on some clothes. Today, I got the opportunity for the first time to wear the mother jeans that I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They are high waist, very dark wash, raw hem, kind of a kick flare or baby boot cut. I'm not quite sure what you would describe them as. Probably a kick flare because they just come to the top of my foot. Whereas if I had on boots, they'd probably be too short. The shoes are Jimmy Choo's from Jimmy Choo in Las Vegas. Got them years ago on sale, and I don't wear them nearly enough. They're a cute, fun bronze color. The blouse is Vince Camuto. I got it from a Front Door Fashion. And then the tank underneath it is a Nick and Zoe that I probably got from Nordstrom years ago. And just come up a little bit closer so you can see. That's what I'm wearing today. Let's try on some clothes. Outfit number 1 is the pants by Cosmic Blue Love. Let's maybe tuck that in there. And the top by, I can't remember who. Really pretty colors and some really nice details. It doesn't quite hit the mark though, and I'll explain why. Let's come up closer. We'll talk about the top first. So it's very plain from the front. It's just a plain t-shirt. I did a front tuck, which you guys know I'm not the best front tucker in the world, but it's, you know, a lower kind of more of a scoop neck. I like the length of the sleeves, really pretty color. This is the back, which is that really nice detail that I like a lot. I like that open back. But from the front, it's just not very exciting. So let's talk about the pants. So it's got the pork chop pockets, and I like that detail. It's a really awkward length, and it kind of flips out. Do you see? I'm not sure if you can see it. I think you can. It kind of wings out on the side. If these were like tapered, like a true skinny jean, I think it would work. But because of the length, what it reminds me of when I was in high school, we used to call these high waters. Like it's just too short. So they're comfortable, they fit well, but the length and the way the cut down there is just really awkward, and I think it makes these a no, unfortunately, because these are some really pretty colors. And while I am here, oh, very crooked, I'm going to try on that jacket. Okay, so this is the jacket. Arms are very long, and it would be kind of hard to hem them because of the lining. I could roll them up, and then you would see that pretty lining. So that's a thought. It's a really nice weight. Love the color. Love, love, love the color. I think this would just be a really nice color to have. It's pretty boxy. I guess I could kind of do that thing where it pulls it in. The thing is, we don't get a whole lot of rain typically in Colorado. We had a really wet spring and into early June, like one of the wettest ones I think since I've lived here, since 45 years ago when I moved here. Trying to see if I can get this to just have a little more shape. I love the color. So it gives it a little bit of a waist. That's from the side, that's from the back. I mean, it's a nice weight. It would be a good weight for fall, just as a jacket. It wouldn't have to rain. But if it did, we don't get a whole lot of rain in the fall either. But this year it's just been crazy. The weather has been crazy. Is it crazy where you are? Leave me a comment and let me know. So I'm trying to decide. I'm going to go look at this in the mirror because I'm trying to decide if I love it or if it's just okay. All right, let's keep going. I'm back again because when I went to take off this top, I realized you couldn't really see the keyhole thing in the back because the tags were in the way, and my daughter kind of arranged them because it was pulling on them. So hopefully you can see it better like this, what it looks like. So that's what the back looks like without the tags hanging in the way. And when I showed her this outfit, she said I looked like a grape. Okay, this is the next outfit. These are the Not Your Daughter's jeans, capris, and this is I think Market & Spruce makes this. Can't remember. I will let you know in the recap, but it goes really well together, I think, but this is a color, these capris, that I just don't like. It's just not my jam. We'll come up close. Let's talk first about the pants, the capris. So I like a tapered capri as opposed to this kind of winged out look. It's got the slit on the side. They fit well. They actually are probably the most flattering. NYDJ usually just really makes my butt look terrible, and it's actually not too bad in these. So that part is okay. The waist fits fine. I just don't like how this, first of all, I don't like the color, so that's the deal breaker right there, but I don't like the cut, how it wings out like that. So let's talk about the top. Now, it does not work with this bra, because you can see my bra. This is a pretty full coverage bra, so I do think that there are other bras I could wear with it. I like, it's soft. It's got like a ribbing, and I think this is really cute. I think this, the twist, it comes down nice, and then the cutout, a little bit of va-va-va-boom there, and that's the back. So the top is a possibility. All right, it is time for prices and a recap. What did you think of that fix? I thought it was actually a really, really good one. I feel like Marsha always does a really good job picking things for me. This is crooked. Sorry, that drives me crazy. Let's see what her note says. Hi, Andrea. I hope that you are loving the pink heads that you kept in the last fix. They are the perfect Barbie pink and add a fun pop of color to so many outfits. I know that you are still looking for tees with unique details, and I think that I found a great couple of options for you to consider. The Hillari tee from Threads for Thought has a fun crossback detail. Try it with the purple Addica pants from Cosmic Blue Love that you chose from the Fix preview. I also chose the Burgundy knit tee from 41 Hawthorn with a fun cutout detail. Try it with some white pants this summer and then blue denim as we transition into fall. Since you asked for pink pants, I added some from NYDJ for you to consider. What do you think of this option? Try them with your polka dot top from Daniel Rain. I look forward to your unboxing. Enjoy, Marcia. Yeah, Marcia, these are not pink by any stretch of the imagination. And to be fair, in the picture, they look more tapered at the bottom, but they're not pink. Yeah. That's okay though. So prices. These are the NYDJ, which fit better than any NYDJ has fit me before. Chloe side slit capri jean in light pink. Guys, this is not light pink. And they are $89. It even says, it says light pink on there. On here it says terracotta. So on the NYDJ, and that's an accurate description for this color. I just don't see how anybody can consider those light pink, but that's besides the point. So those are going back. Now the Market and Spruce Regan rain jacket in pink. This is pink. This is only $65. I actually think that is a really good price for the weight of this. It's lined, it's got the zipper and the snaps. It's in this pretty pink color. When I showed my daughter, she said, well, that's not a very fall color. And I said, I am fighting fall. I am not ready for fall. But it would be a good weight for fall, and it would make me happy to wear it in the fall because I could go, take that fall. So this is highly likely going to stay with me. All right. And then we have the Cosmic Blue Love Addica Slim Straight Pant in purple. These are $88. These were just so weird at the bottom. They were just an awkward length and the way they flared out. So they're going to go back because that would bug me every time I wore them, the length of them. The Thread for Thought Hillari Keyhole Crossback in light purple. This is $38, which is a really, really good price, but I just didn't find that it flattered me. I just, love the detail on the back, but I didn't feel like the front was flattering. And then we have the 41 Hawthorn Gilmora short sleeve fitted, probably knit top. Yep, fitted cutout knit top. And this is $44, which I think is a pretty fair price. And I really like that detail. They are calling this burgundy. I think it looks more burgundy in the viewfinder. I would consider it like a dark rust. Either way, I liked it. I'm going to try it on with some different bras to make sure that will work. And if it does, I will probably keep this as well. What did you think? Do you agree with my choices? Is there something you think I should have kept or not kept? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with me. And I hope that you have a good week wherever you are and that the sun shines for you. And until next time, fashion friends, dress like you mean it.